I'll show you how to insert a text variable in Storyline so that you can capture and reference a learner's name in the course. So here we have the opening slide and we'll put in our name and we'll take the quiz over here on the left menu. We'll go to the results slide. Assuming that we pass the quiz, we get this personalized message. People really like seeing their names on the screen, and it's a very nice way to personalize instruction. So let me show you how to insert and reference a text variable. So here we are in slide view, and the first thing we need to do is create the variable so we can capture the learner's name. So we'll go up to insert all the way over to the right here, select text entry, and then click drag where you want the learner to type in their name. Let's format it a little bit. Let's enter, say, type your name. You'll notice over in the triggers panel here that Storyline has created a variable for us called text entry. Let's rename that. Let's do that by selecting this X here, manage project variables. We'll double click on the text entry, just a default name, and let's name it something more meaningful like a student name. And select OK. Now let's reference the variable. Let's go to the slide where their name will actually appear. Go to the quiz scene. The very last slide of the quiz scene is results. So this is where we want to reference the variable or have the student's name appear. So let's select Insert, Text Box. We'll drag out a kind where we want the learner's name to appear. Then we'll go into Insert and we're going to reference that variable which is called student name. Select OK. We now need to format it. Formatting is very important. We'll center it, and right now let's just make it white. Now we've captured the name. We've referenced it. Let's preview the entire project now by pressing F12. Let's see how we did. Type in our name. We'll go to the quiz. Let's assume that we passed the quiz. Congratulations, Mahesh. You've passed the course. And that's how you insert a text variable. You might also use a text variable when you want to personalize a feedback on a question or a scenario. So let's now move on to a little more complex type of Storyline variable, the number variable.